Sarah is 24 years old. She lives in a small city near hills and a river. She works in a small office. She likes her work, but she feels sometimes alone. She has friends at work. They talk and laugh in lunch breaks. She likes simple time with friends. She likes to read books in the evening. She likes to walk in parks in free time. She thinks about life and future. She wants a good partner. She wants someone kind. She wants someone honest. She wants someone who shares trust. She wants someone who listens to her ideas. She wants someone who speaks simply and clearly. She thinks a good partner is patient. She thinks a good partner is caring. She thinks a good partner respects family and friends. She thinks a good partner shares simple plans. She hopes to meet such a person. She writes feelings in her small notebook. She writes what she wants in a partner. She writes traits: kindness, trust, honesty, care, respect. She repeats these words in her mind. She feels hope and fear. She feels hope that she can find a good partner. She feels fear that she may wait long. She makes a plan. She will meet new people. She will go to a cafe. She will go to a park. She will go to a book club. She feels ready to try again. One day, Sarah is at a cafe in the city. The cafe is quiet in the morning. She drinks tea and reads a simple book. She watches people pass by outside the window. She thinks about meeting someone. She wants to try again. She picks up her small notebook on the table. She writes a note. I look for a partner. She folds the note. She feels a small hope. Then she sees a small white note on her table. She did not place it. She feels surprise. She looks around. No one is near. She feels curious and a little afraid. She opens the note slowly. The note says, "Meet me in the park at 7. There is no name. She wonders who wrote it. She feels a mix of hope and fear. She thinks, who is this person? Is this kind? Is this safe? She keeps the note in her bag. She pays the bill. She leaves the cafe. She walks slowly home. She looks at the note many times. She thinks, should I go? Should I wait? What if it is a good meeting? What if it is not safe? She makes a plan. She will go with care. She will check time. She will go to the park at 7 in the evening. Sarah goes to the park at 7. The park is near her home. It is autumn. Leaves are brown and yellow on the ground. The air is cool. She carries her bag and her phone. She wears a light coat. She feels a little nervous. She arrives at a bench near a small path. She sits and waits. She checks her watch many times. She looks around. There is little light. A street lamp is near. She sees no one close. She feels cold wind. She holds her coat close. Her heart beats fast. She thinks, I hope this is safe. She recalls her plan. She told a friend about the note. She sent a message. I go to park at 7 with a note. Her friend said, be safe. Call me if you need. She feels some comfort. She looks at the bench. She sees a man at 7:10. He walks slowly. He sees her and smiles and moves closer. Sarah feels surprise and a little fear. She stands up slowly. He holds a small flower in his hand. He says, hello, Sarah. I wrote the note. Sarah is surprised. She asks, you know my name? He says, yes, I know. I saw you in the cafe. Sarah feels shy and curious. She listens. They sit on the bench under the lamp. The man is kind. He looks at Sarah. He says, I want a good partner. Sarah listens. He says, I want trust and care. Sarah thinks, this is like me. She says, I also want a good partner. I want trust. I want care. He smiles. He brings a small box. He says, open this when you feel ready. Sarah takes the box. She feels curious but calm. She checks the box later at home. Inside, there is a small key and a note. The note says, trust grows like a plant. We will find a special place. Sarah feels calm. She thinks, what is this place? How can trust grow? She writes in her notebook, trust grows slowly. Trust needs time and care. She plans, I will meet him again. I will learn more. Next day, they meet in a cafe. They talk about simple life, work, friends, hope. They talk about trust. They share small stories. Sarah feels safe. She watches his actions. He is patient. He is honest. He keeps promises. Every day, she learns more. Trust grows a little each meeting. Sarah feels hope. She feels care. She feels that this man respects her feelings and respects her time. She wants to see him again. Weeks pass. Sarah and the man meet in different places. They go to a small garden at sunset. The man uses the key to open a small door in the garden. Inside, flowers grow quietly. They sit at a small table. He brings tea. They drink tea and talk. He says, this place is for trust. Sarah listens. She feels calm. She says, I feel trust grow here. He smiles. They walk in garden. Leaves move in wind. They talk about dreams. Sarah wants to write stories. He wants to learn music. They promise to support each other. Sarah thinks support means listen, help, care, time. He says, I will help you with stories. You help me with music. Sarah feels joy. She writes in her notebook, support is action. She feels the relationship is real. She still is careful. She still watches his actions. He keeps being kind and honest. He visits her when she is busy. He sends messages when he is busy. He asks about her day and work. He remembers details. Sarah feels value. She feels respect. She feels safe. She plans future meetings. She plans small trips. She plans to show him her world. She plans to learn more about him. Their trust grows like a plant with water and light. After some time, the man asks Sarah to meet at the garden at night under the moon. Sarah feels a small thrill. She goes. The garden is quiet. Moonlight shines on flowers. He brings a small gift, a notebook with a cover of stars. He says, write our journey here. Sarah opens it. She writes, I found trust. I found care. I found support. He writes his note. I found a good partner. They close the notebook together. They feel close. He asks, Sarah, will you be my partner on this path? Sarah's heart beats fast. She thinks of her plan and her feelings. She feels safe and happy. She says, yes, I will be your partner. He smiles and holds her hand. They walk in the garden under moon and stars. They feel a new start. They feel hope for future. They know challenges will come. They know trust and care will help. They plan to meet family soon. They plan small steps, live in same city, support each other work and dreams. They keep the small key as a sign. The small mystery led them to trust. Now they move forward with a good partner and kind heart. Sarah found a good partner. She found trust and care. She learned that trust grows slowly with time and attention. She saw that small mysteries can lead to real meetings. She felt that simple words and small gifts show true care. She and her partner walk a path together. They plan their life step by step. They know challenges will come. They know they will face challenges with trust, honesty, and support. They keep their notebook and key as signs of their journey. Sarah is not alone now. She feels safe and hopeful. She knows that a good partner is not perfect, but is kind, honest, patient, and caring. She knows that she must also be a good partner in return. Their story begins with a note, a meeting, and grows with trust. They now look to the future with calm hearts and open minds.
If you enjoyed this story, please consider liking the video, leaving a thoughtful comment, and subscribing to the channel for more heartfelt narratives.